Welcome, everyone, to the May edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name's John McNamara of Highball Advisors. And as we head into May here, a lot going on. We still have those issues going on in Iran. We'll see how that goes. Looks like oil prices are going to be elevated for a while, so that's going to put the pressure on inflation. We'll have to see what happens there. Needless to say, stocks continue to hang in there, do very well. Actually, railroad stocks have been doing quite well this year. So how about that? Another thing to keep an eye on, Congress just proposed the Railroad Retirement Fairness Act. Check that out. Very interesting. They want to eliminate the last previous employer penalty on the Tier 2. So that's really interesting. That just came out in April. For whiteboards, I have this month, not making your 30 years for railroad retirement. So, those railroaders that aren't going to have the 30 years, you have a lot of different strategies there between Social Security, railroad retirement, timing issues, age reductions. Check out that video. And then the mailbag, I have railroad retirement in Social Security and why that's important. So check that out, right? Once again, going back to that timing strategy, okay? And then for economic chart, really it's about diversification. It's about international equities versus U.S. equities and how they've been performing throughout the years. So check that out. So railroaders, hope you enjoyed this video. Be safe this month, and until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody.